Hello and welcome to Professional English Module 3. In this module, we will create a video CV so you can stand out to possible employers and get that job you really want. By the time you finish this module, you will be able to create a video CV using the language of a professional and by using some free video creation software. In this module, there are 3 lessons. In the first lesson, you will watch a video or listen to a talk between 2 people as they discuss how to make a video CV. In the second lesson, you will listen to a podcast or watch a video of an HR professional talking about video CVs. She will point out some things to do and some things to not do when making a video CV. In the third lesson, you will watch an example of a bad CV and determine some things that could be done differently to make it better. Then watch an example of a good video CV. You will finish the lesson and the module by making your own video CV.